Hey, 8th graders, it's Mrs. Roberge here. I am talking about Investigation 2, What is Slope, number 3. And we will be doing A through F here on number 3. So let's look at number 3. It says use the coordinate plane below, and we see it right here. Yes, plane. Oh, that was a bad arrow. Anyway, A, connect the points using a straight edge. Extend the line past points A and C, and place arrows at each end. So I'm going to do my best to use a straight edge and draw this line. In case you're wondering what I'm using a deck of cards. And it's not perfect, but I did my best. And it says put an arrow at each end. All right, done. A is done. B. So I'm going to go ahead and sketch that same line on here, even though it looked nicer on the other page. All right, now it says find the slope between points A and B. All right, so let's look at A, which was here, and B is here. Now, slope, as we know, is rise over run. So rise, 1, 2, 3. Run, 1, 2, 3, 4. Making our slope 3/4. Rise over run. C, find the points between B and C. Well, B is here, C is here. So I'm going to do the same thing. 1, 2, 3. That's my rise, my run, 1, 2, 3, 4. So my slope, again, is 3/4. Finally, it says find the slopes between point A and point C. A, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But what can 6/8 be reduced to if we were to divide it by 2? I'll bet you know that you're going to get 3/4. See? The slope is the same throughout the entirety of the line. And that is what you can conclude about the slope of this line, looking at your results in parts B through D. You can conclude that the slope stays the same within one line. And also, we can conclude that the slope itself is 3/4. Finally, let's look at F. Here's a nice clean graph for us. Start at point C and find a fourth point which would belong to the same line. Label your fourth point D and explain how you arrived at it using what you know about slope. Well, we know that slope is rise over run, and we know that in this graph the slope is 3/4. 3/4, excuse me, not over quarters. It's the end of the day. It's been a long day. So I'm going to go to my point C right here, and I'm going to rise 3, and I'm going to run 4. And there I have it, a nice new point that I will label D. And you see, if I were to sketch my line on here again, which you don't have to do, but if I were to do that, it would continue to run through there. In fact, if you drew your line long enough initially, it could already run through point D for you. All right, guys, nice, simple, short lesson today. I hope you're doing awesome. I hope you get outside today. Looks like it's better than yesterday was. I'm actually saying this on Tuesday, but thinking that you'll be watching this video tomorrow, which is Wednesday. So my weather info could be bad. Anyway, miss you guys. Be well. Bye.